Good morning, y'all. So today, what is this? I would say this is like episode 2 in getting my life together. And I'm just starting off with some breakfast. We got some beef bacon. Um, we got iced water. I fast for 16 hours and I eat between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. But because it is that time of the month, girl, I needed something this morning because we are actually bulk filming today, including this vlog that I'm filming right now for y'all. I'm filming 3 other videos. So basically we're filming 4 videos today. And I need to hydrate because one of the videos is actually like a fitness video. And we're going to be outside. So I have to eat something. The cramps are cramping. Either way, we got to push through, stay consistent, and get this shit done. But I'm just going to finish this. And then we're going to get our day started. Okay, y'all. So we have to get ready to film. I think I'm going to do 2 videos now because it's super late now. I had some other things to take care of, like admin stuff. So now I need to get ready really quickly. Then we can start the videos. And both of these videos should be out this week, honestly. Both are like just self-improvement, which is like kind of like what my channel is also shifting into. Besides the beauty and hair content, I really want to zone in on that because that's like actually what's going on in my real life and like what I'm working on. I want to show more of like my personal. I like sharing more of like my interests with you guys because I know a lot of us are literally just trying to get our lives together every day. My goal now is to start making money on YouTube, so I need to reach my threshold. I already have 1,000 subscribers, but I need to reach my watch time hours, which is 4,000 watch hours. I'm gonna finish my eyebrows and stuff, and then we're gonna film our first video. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Something quick, yeah, so we can get to it. But I'm still like trying to like perfect like a quick 5-minute makeup routine. So I think this is okay for the videos that we're gonna do. Now I need to set up and get to it. It's super hot. Okay. Get a small one. Oh, here it is. Got it, girl. Girl, it was something else I needed. I totally forgot. I need razors too. Let's see. What are the razors? $13. No. That's crazy. I ain't got it today. $13. Iceberry lemonade. Iceberry lemonade. This smells so good, y'all. This put me to sleep. The iceberry lemonade. I love candles. Y'all, so I just left Walmart and I don't want to assume that people think that I'm stealing, but when I was over looking at the razors, yeah, I left to look at the candles, right? And then like the lady that was standing by the razors, she came over to where the candles were and she was just standing there. It just felt like she was watching me. So I overheard on her like her radio, someone said, oh, possible theft not detected, basically. So I'm like, well, damn, I know you ain't talking about me because I'm literally not stealing. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what made them think that. So then I'm like, okay, maybe they wasn't talking about me, because she clearly wasn't doing anything in that area. She just came and stood over that area and was just kind of like fumbling with like something on the shelves. So when I went to check out, I got one item. I just got this dog food or whatever. Then like a random security guard came out of nowhere. Like, I checked out, and then it's like when I looked up to turn to walk out the door, it was like this white security officer standing right there, like looking at me. So I just looked at him and I was just like, and then somebody yelled, "Ma'am, ma'am." But it's like I just kept walking because I'm like, girl, what the hell going on? Like, I don't know. Maybe they wasn't talking to me, but I was just like, it's like you feel the energy. I'm like, did they think I was and I wasn't? I don't know. That shit was so weird just now. I just left because it's like y'all can't be talking to me, so I'm gonna just keep walking. Like, girl, I'm not with all that. I'm not with all that extra stuff when I go to the store. Like, I hate that even happens, but I get it. But then it's like y'all need to make sure the right people stealing, because I know people who steal and it's like they never get caught. So why you? I don't even steal. So why are y'all like telling me about it? But anyway, I'm out. So I was like, I want to try some matcha, because I never had matcha before. I never had like a matcha tea. So I'm just gonna go and like try it, and then we can do like a little review. Okay, y'all. We got the matcha latte. Matcha latte. What the hell is this? First of all, let's take this off. It looks really good, actually. Get my already mixed it up. Cold foam is on top. So basically, I did a small matcha latte with sweet cold foam, and I told them to add 2 pumps of vanilla. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, the cold foam smells good. I like to smell stuff, y'all, before I eat it. I like to smell a lot of stuff. I don't know why. But let's try it. My first matcha latte. You know what? This trying to taste like a damn pecan. It tastes like a pecan, it tastes like a pecan pancake. Or like a pecan waffle. Okay. I see the hype. I really do. I thought this was gonna be like nasty, I ain't gonna lie. But especially for me, because I don't even like coffee like that. But I do like a frappe or something like that. It's still coffee, but you know, I'm just not a coffee drinker. But I would drink this, like, I would do this like in the morning, right before I have to. Life has been really lifing lately, girl. We are going to run some errands. We're going to get outside in the sun, honey, and just enjoy this day, okay? So first thing, y'all, I need to get some new coloring books for these markers that I just got. Honestly, it's a 24 pack and it's a dual tip. So I'm definitely going to be taking this with me. probably everywhere. Just to like sit in the park, or like if I'm going to the beach or something, like I can color, sit by the pool and color or whatever. So yes, I need some new coloring books because I cannot find mine. So let's head in Dollar General to see what we can find. Okay, they don't have a large selection. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I did get something I don't need, girl. Some Jolly Rancher shoes. Okay, so I decided to go with this limited edition Crayola coloring book. I just thought it was really funny. I thought it was really funny because basically the crayon is doing like all kind of stuff. It's singing here. And the one where he at the beach. Oh yeah. And this one he's like laid out. I don't know. I thought it was really funny, so I'm gonna definitely do that later on today, just to do some mindfulness, girl, some stress relief, because I have been stressed. I was crashing out all last week. Like it lasted for like, well, it got worse for like 3 days, but like, yeah, I was like just extremely stressed out. I was having panic attacks and everything. I have migraines with aura, and I am gonna put on the screen like what that actually means. Just about to go hang out. You guys are just gonna come with me, girl. What you mean? What the hell they got? If you ain't getting no money, take your broke tail home. Now I'm gonna do a grocery haul. So we have some catfish nuggets, brown turkey. I want to do a lot of taco bowls with this. We got dingleberry mix. So this I can use to put in my yogurt, and I can make smoothies and stuff, and just to have like a snack. Muscadines. Always need some cuties just to snack on and to have with a meal. Spinach. This I'm going to mix with my eggs. Cabbage, my favorite. I'm definitely going to stir fry this and just mix it in like with my different proteins. So I bought like this 30 rack of eggs. I'm gonna do omelet, scrambled eggs. I also want to do an egg salad with this. This video just goes to show that it's okay when you do fall off of your routine or your schedule, or you're not where exactly you want to be in life, or you didn't reach the goals that you wanted to reach. It's important to get back on your routine. Don't give up on yourself. For me, it was a week, but even if it's been a month, a year, 2 years, whatever, you always have another opportunity to start again. Every single day is me in America. So I don't know. Like, I'm just trying to get a little. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all can hear me because it is storming right now. But I wanted to show y'all what I got from Marshalls and Goodwill. And we're gonna wash all of these items. So yeah, that's everything that I got, y'all. So now we gotta do something with this hair, girl, because I had this for a minute and I'm about to take it out and we're gonna do a new style. Okay guys, so let's do our weigh-in. Okay guys, this is where we are. Time for these to go, babes. It's time for these to go. So in my next vlog, y'all are gonna see my new hairstyle. But until then, I do have other videos here on the screen that you guys can check out. Little Bobbiana. I like the short hair. What y'all think? This might be my next look. Anyway, I will see y'all in my next one.